Surely you're familiar with the following situation. You're setting up your fields, and you want to create different waylines on your Smart Touch terminal. One for the main cutting direction, and several others to edit the different operations and headland waylines. The following year, you want to use these saved waylines, but you have various waylines at your disposal, and you have to find and manually activate the appropriate wayline many times while working on the field. This is not ideal. What to do? Valtra has the solution to your problem. The Wayline Assistant includes the additional wayline mode, segmented waylines, and single contour, and is available for all Valtra machines equipped with Smart Touch and Valtra Guide. You start the segmented waylines on your tractor and close the application after all waylines are created. After the segmented waylines have been created and saved, the system allows you to create a field boundary from the individual segments. In the field, the tractor automatically detects in which segment it is located, and also indicates the position and direction of all other segments. While working, the system automatically switches to the appropriate wayline. The Wayline mode, segmented waylines, allows you to quickly and easily create waylines. Automatically detect the appropriate wayline while approaching. Combine all relevant waylines into one unit. Automatically create field boundaries based on contour segments, and increase work quality through consistent utilization of the steering system at the headland. The new single track mode, single contour, allows the recording of a wayline with free contour. For example, this means you can record all the tracks driven for crop care work such as crop protection or fertilization in the tramline, and in the headland is one wayline. For repeated operations, the tractor implement combination is automatically guided through the entire field. With the wayline type single contour mode, you profit from the guidance system even for crops that were not sown with the system. Reduce and optimize workload thanks to automatic turning maneuvers. Now you can fully concentrate on plants and crops, taking obstacles into account.